भाई अंकित एक टीम में डाल दे, प्रसाद बोल रहा है फ्रॉड वाला है।
The winning team has decided to bowl first. Let's see how this plays
अमर
out.
सिल्वा
The openers are out. It's an important game.
प्रसाद का नंबर दे।
Attacking line, attacking length. That's what you expect from a quick bowler.
देखिए लास्ट में
Oh, he's dismissed that. The bowler won't believe it. 6 more. Oh, look at that bat swing. Full extension, perfect balance, and the ball is out of here. That's good batting. That's sensible batting. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? They'll get a single, keeping the scoreboard ticking. Right-hander on strike.
Hello?
That's gone miles high. Handsome and into the crowd. Oh, it's not just power. It's the placement too. You pick the perfect area and clear it with ease. Gotta be careful here, the bowler. This can end up being a big one. It's coming round.
पीछे से कोई मसला है, मतलब मैनुअल में भी और ऑटो में भी।
फ्रॉड वाले ग्रुप में डाल।
A real freebie. And the batter cashes in. 4 to the total. Just look at the replay. It's all in the timing. The ball rockets off the bat and it finds the ropes.
सिस्टम पे भी सेम आ रहा है।
अंकित दोबारा किया?
तो प्रसाद ने उसको लिखा है, इसको रोहित को।
मैडम सबके में यही इशू आ रहा है।
Making a few changes on the field, the skipper.
कोई गलत चैनल में क्यों डालते हैं लोग? इनको अकल ही नहीं है।
Absolutely outstanding. Held his nerve and takes the beauty. The fielder was in the right spot at the right time and made it look routine. That's another wicket. It's gonna be the seamer now. Goes aerial, goes over the top and goes all the way for maximum. Oh, that's as clean a strike as you'll ever see. Right off the middle of the bat and it's gone all the way. It's been very sensible batting. He hasn't been a static target. He's moved around the crease, making the bowler think. The replay shows how quickly he picked the length. He rocked back and launched it into the stands. That's very, very good batting indeed. He's put the bowler under pressure. That's gone high up in the air. And they get back for 2. Great running between the wickets. It's coming round the wicket. Oh my word, that is massive. Oh, look at that bat swing. Full extension, perfect balance, and the ball is out of here. Gotta be careful here, the bowler. This can end up being a big one. That's sharp. Turned half a chance into goal. Safe hands. The fielder made no mistake with that opportunity. He's on his way back, visibly disappointed after losing this wicket. Right-hander on strike. Oh, crunched, dismissed to the boundary, top shot. The scoreboard is ticking rapidly after that over, thanks to some brilliant batting. This is a mammoth target to chase. They need belief and solid start. The crowd is eager as the spinner steps in. Left-hander on the strike. Oh, would be disappointed with that. It's a good throw in the end. It's the left-hander on strike.
आज ही हो गए सर. गुड मॉर्निंग. हेलो सर. गुड मॉर्निंग. हाँ जी. कौन सा वाला? अरे वो व्यापारी वाला. मैंने आपको मैसेज तो डाला है. कैब WI की सर एक बार उमंग से बात कर रहे हैं. हाँ अरे नहीं मैं बोल
Should get a couple of runs here. It's a good throw in the end. Back for 3. Nice running between the wickets.
उसके बाद देखो जब उन्होंने पुरानी चेकलिस्ट
कितने केस हो गए बोलना पुराने वाले?
अरे उसके बाद आपने वो मेल पे मुझे दे दिया था है ना. उसके बाद फिर से रिवाइज पॉलिसी आई है. फिर से रिवाइज चेकलिस्ट आई है.
Fantastic river sweep.
अच्छा चलो
Completely outfoxes the bowler and runs for.
डाल देते हैं मेल पे.
Full extension of the arms, perfect balance and the
नहीं
ball
नहीं मेल
does
पे
the
मेल
rest.
पे ही डाल देते हैं उनको. हम उनको बोलते हैं ये पता है क्या सुनो. हम उनको बोलते हैं भाई आप पहले यही रूल बना दो. आप क्या क्रेडिट को बाद में ले लेंगे. क्योंकि सर मेरी एक टीम है ना वहाँ ऐसा ना हो कि हम दिल्ली के उस आड़ में उठा के वेस्ट का केस मूव कर देंगे.
Absolutely outstanding. Held his nerve and takes a beauty. Good teamwork there. The fielder kept calm and made it look effortless.
वो बन रहा है. मैंने आपको बोल दिया वो मैंने आपको स्क्रीनशॉट
Another wicket falls. Back in the
आपकी
game
बातों
now.
को कभी मना नहीं करते हम. पता है क्योंकि देखो क्लियरिटी. क्योंकि सुनो ये केस बन जाएगा. हम नहीं चाहते हर केस ऐसे होके तो हम उठा के मेरे पे
Glorious placement. Pure timing. 4 more.
ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Notice the control here.
कोई नहीं. एक दो केस और
Holds
आपके
his
स्पीड
wrist
से
and
निकलवा
places it
देंगे.
perfectly for 4.
हो गई हमसे गलती. माफ कर दो. डन मैं अंकित सर मेल देगा. सुनो योगेश सुनो अंकित मैंने
Bowler think.
मुझे मारने वाले कर दो. उमंग को डाल दो कि भाई एज पर न्यू पॉलिसी और एज पर ये और एज पर पैन इंडिया इनके में 3 इयर्स का ही चाहिए है ना.
What a beautiful cover try. Perfect timing and placement for 4
वो
runs.
न्यू चेकलिस्ट से पहले होती. तो क्या आप
What
अभी भी रेगुलर
pressure
पे
under
जाना
pressure.
चाहते हो?
He knew exactly where the gaps were and played it with
हम आपको
precision.
जोड़ते रहते हैं. पैन इंडिया एक ही रूल रखा करो. अब दिल्ली के लिए 2 साल विंटेज बढ़ा रहे आप है ना. मुंबई के लिए आप 3 साल. अरे बंदा तो पागल हो जाएगा.
That's great adjustment, good footwork. The placement is just exquisite. He splits the fielder perfectly, giving them no chance to stop it. It's been a very, very entertaining over so far.
कल बोलो मैं उसके साथ चले जाती हूँ
Wonderful straight drive. Pairs the field beautifully to reach the ropes. Just look at the timing on that shot. He barely seemed to hit it. It sailed over the ropes. The batter seems to be in a hurry here.
दीदी मैच खेलने जाएंगे तब अभी तो पागल ही है जाए मैं बात करने जाऊँ बोले फिर आ गई तो बात करने
Oh, that's a wide delivery. A lot of movement off the surface. It's been very sensible batting. It hasn't been a static target. It's moved around the crease, making the bowler think. How's the bowler going to react? Classic cover drive. Finds the gap perfectly and adds 4 to the tally. Just look at the timing on that shot. He barely seemed to hit it. It sailed over the ropes. They've done it! And the celebration on the field are a testament to their excellence.